Hi, it's Danielle from REProphet. Today I wanted to go over how to categorize commission and further categorize your cost of sale associated with that commission. So today you can see we are in our admin, our test account here. I am going to go over to this blue box next to this commission. This brings up our transaction details. So here's where we kind of can make any changes we want to this commission. So you can see anywhere that there's an orange box, you can select it and make any changes. I will say, once you make any changes, please don't forget to hit that green save button, okay? Our information is already in this transaction, so I'm just going to review it for you today. So we have the description, we have our posted date, we have the amount of our commission check, and then we have our category. So you can categorize this as much as you want. You can leave them all in under just income. You can break them out further to buyer commission or listing commission, whatever you choose to do. Again, don't forget to hit that green save button. So anywhere you see a little question mark here, you're going to be able to get some more information about what this is to help you make better decisions about how to categorize. So first we want to sort out this commission. Where did we get this lead from? There's a drop-down menu here, and you'll be able to choose wherever this lead came from. Now you'll also notice that this comes directly from our lead generation category. Then it will eventually roll over to our return on investment report, which is a pretty powerful tool here. So this commission came from an open house. Next, we're going to go over to our gross commission income, our GCI. Now that's that larger number before your check got cut. So we have to manually input this GCI here. So you can see we've put that in. And once we put that number in and tab over to cost of sale, it will automatically subtract the amount of the commission check and give you your cost of sale number. Now, sometimes more than true cost of sale gets lumped into this category here, gets lumped into this number. And we want to make sure that we go ahead and break it out correctly. So down here at the bottom is where you will categorize your cost of sale, okay? So these areas are already filled in with for us, but I want to make sure to review this with you. So true cost of sale are things like referral fees that are paid out, brokerage splits, team splits, and royalty fees. Some things that often get lumped into cost of sale are actually operating expenses. And we want to make sure that we subtract these operating expenses because they are tax deductible. So you want to make sure they show up in the right place on your profit and loss statement. Just as an example, some of these operating expenses can be any charitable contributions, any transaction coordination fees, any per transaction fees, errors and omissions, or any compliance fees that get lumped into this number. So you can see down here, we have here a brokerage split. So we're going to select brokerage and add that number in there. And then you can see down here, these are all operating expenses that we want to subtract from the cost of sale. So we've added them in. We've selected subtract expense, and then you can categorize this transaction as you would categorize any other transaction. And this will pull them out of your cost of sale for you. So again, once you've made any changes, you want to go ahead and hit that green submit button. Just as another note, if you need more lines, you hit this orange button here, and then the trash button if you want to delete any. So once you've made any changes, make sure you go ahead and save that and submit it, and everything will be done correctly for you.